Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Italy on June 14th to attend the 50th G7 summit, marking his first visit to a foreign country after assuming office for the third consecutive term. The summit, scheduled from June 13 to 15th, is being held in Italy's Apulia region, and Modi's participation in the G7 outreach session comes as a result of an invitation from Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni. The G7 summit agenda primarily includes discussions on the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict and the Israel-Hamas situation. In addition to India, leaders from several other countries have also been invited to the outreach session. PM Modi is further expected to engage in various activities during the summit, including participation in a session focused on artificial intelligence, energy, Africa, Mediterranean, which will be hosted by Italian Prime Minister Meloni and attended by Pope Francis. Furthermore, PM Modi intends to leverage the G7 summit as an opportunity to align the outcomes of the G20 summit held under India's presidency with priority issues for the global south. He is scheduled to hold bilateral talks with several world leaders, including Italian Prime Minister, US President, UK PM, French President, Japanese Prime Minister, and German Chancellor. While departing for the summit, PM Modi acknowledged the importance of discussing various global issues with fellow world leaders and welcomed the opportunity to make a positive impact on the planet and people's lives. He also expressed his commitment to strengthening India-Italy strategic partnership and enhancing cooperation in the Indo-Pacific and Mediterranean regions.